You don't have to do a race or anything here, no?
No. This and now it's up out.
What's Mark doing? Maybe during the
Oh shit.
send it up. The gain for the stabilization is here. And the landing gear is this, I guess.
Landing gear.
Where's the brake?
The brake is here. What? Oh crap. And I see this thing coming from so right. So I see it coming down to the tractor, keep on coming to the tractor. So I said, but what really going on there, boy? So I stopped the tractor. And I'm telling the man, I stopped just so, and I'm telling him, hey, because I get frightened. So I decided to drop down below the tractor and leave it to the tractor if you want. And I said, pass over the tractor, and I spin around. I see it land down in the ground and start to go across the river.
So it flipped or anything, or it just kind of glide?
Nah, it glide and go down in the river. Not inside the river, you know. Over the river.
Over the river.
Yes, he's up in there. He has his own vent.
Get a castle. You know what I'm telling you? With a castle, you could program it exactly.
That's about the program for this